Now, the Reggae Boys could head into the 2022 World Cup qualifiers later in the year without more friendly international matches. Team manager Roy Simpson says he expects it to be tough to secure any match practice until the COVID-19 pandemic ends. Simon Preston has that story.
Speaking at the RGR Galena Group Sports Town Hall meeting recently, Simpson says the GFF will have to wait and see before making plans for matches. The Reggae Boys played Bermuda at the Montego Bay Sports Complex at home last month, but their proposed friendly against Catalonia was cancelled as the virus continues to spread in eastern Spain.
It's going to be difficult because nobody knows when we'll get this thing under control. And then we play international friendlies based on the FIFA windows. The next FIFA window is June. So there's not much we could have been doing, even if we didn't have the COVID on us. But I think we all have to just wait and see what happens when they get, the pandemic under control. And it's from there, we can start do some planning. But it's difficult to say that we're going to plan, because the teams that you also want to play against are also suffering the same kind of conditions and situations that we're going through. So it's really difficult to say where, we can confirm international friendlies. Hopefully we can start playing.
The governing body of football in the region, CONCACAF, is considering having matches played behind closed doors in their competitions. Despite the lack of gator seats this would cause, Simpson sees benefits for the boys.
Well, that is better than not playing.
Yeah.
So
but you would still lose a lot of revenue.
Absolutely, but then again, probably you'll gain a lot more too from TV rights, because you'll have a bigger audience there. But it's real difficult because, again, the uncertainties, you just don't know when, how, and what should happen. But to start playing again, that would be great, because I think playing is better than not playing.
The 2022 CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers are slated to kick off on August 31. Local-based players will be sent individual programs on Tuesday to continue workouts at home, despite the continued uncertainty over future matches and competitions. At the end of the month, the players will be tested based on programs they were given. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.